Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to At Home with Lisa. Today, we're going to be giving the beauty room and the closet a little bit of a break before we bring out the reveal. So, today we're going to be out on the patio. We're going to be doing a little bit of refresh for the fall. So, as you guys can see, it is in a disarray. It's a lot of work to do out here. So I already know it's going to take a couple of days. So I've already moved the furniture around, and I need to strip the covers off of all of the pillows that you see here. And I do have a second set, but generally when I take them off, I throw them in the washer, but I don't have to wait for them to wash and dry because I have another set. So we have to vacuum really good, wipe and clean everything down, and just put everything back into place. So basically, this is going to be a clean with me, a setup with me for the fall, because generally we do watch football out here. So without further ado, if this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope that you like this type of content. And if you do, just keep on watching, and also click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you are returning, welcome back. I'm so happy that you decided to come back and continue supporting. So as you can see right here, all of the dirtiness that you see on these covers here, I hope it's not going to be too hard to clean them to get these stains out. It's just from the weather, and this summer has been extremely hot, so we really weren't out here a whole lot because it was just too hot to be out here. But anyway, grab your drink, grab your snack, sit back, relax, and enjoy as I refresh the patio. All of the decor that you see here is what was already out here. So like I said, everything is going to be washed and cleaned and sanitized down. So I am going to remove all of the decor that you see here. And as you can see, I've already removed the bar cart from the wall because I need to, wash the walls down as well too. And it's a pretty day out today as well too, and it wasn't as hot. I think it was probably about maybe 82 or 83 degrees on this day, and there was like, a slight wind, so I was able to stay out here and get done what needed to get done. So yeah, guys, I still have that black refrigerator over there. Hubby has to have that refrigerator over there, so it's here to stay. I tried to get him to pick out a different style, a different kind, a more updated one. But of course, he said that he was okay with what he had out there. So, hey, no argue from me. So, it's going to stay. But anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get this refresh done of this patio. Plus, I'm going to be doing some laundry as well too. And yeah, y'all just hang out with me. So the laundry, like the all the table napkins and the runner and all of the covers and everything, I did take them off. So that's what you just saw me doing, putting them in the washer. And now the plates and chargers and all that were out there, I'm going ahead and rinsing these really, really good. And I'm just going to add them to the dishwasher. I don't use my dishwasher that often, but I try to use it at least a couple of times of the month, because they say you do need to run it and not just let it stay stationary. So I'm just going to rinse these a little bit, and then I'm going to add them to the dishwasher and let the dishwasher do all of the work. That way it can be steamed really good and it can dry, and then I can just put them away. Now these dishes that you see here, I am not bringing those back to the patio dining table. dishwasher and the laundry is washing. So you guys saw that I cleaned the table out here very, very good. And I vacuumed and I've, wiped the chairs down and all. And I'm trying to figure out if I want this rug to be on the white side or the black side. But I think aesthetically, I think it looks better on the black side. So I think we're going to go with the black side. I am all done, you guys. The refresh for the patio is complete. Thank you all so much for tuning in with me on today. Thank you so much for your thumbs up and your sweet, loving, and kind comments down below. The next video will be the tablescape of the patio. Again, thank you all so much, and hope to see you guys tomorrow to see the tablescape. At Home with Lisa is signing off. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all tomorrow.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.